Alright, done a rear tire video before, but I just wanted to make a note on the front tire. I just changed to a couple of the Pirelli Sync. And one question you might have when putting the front wheel back on is, which is, you got it's directional, so you got to make sure you got it on in the right rotation, forward or back. There you go. If you notice right there, move my finger a little bit, you see your arrow, which points to the rotation of the wheel. So you gotta make sure you don't put the wheel on backwards. You could. Alright, so here's what it takes to pull your front wheel. You need 3 tools, an Allen wrench, which is a 14 millimeter, which shows on my stack here. You pull this set screw out here, which is just to hold your axle. So you pull this loose. First you pull your brakes off here. Got a couple of I don't know, got tools, but those are 12 millimeter. So you got 2 12 millimeter bolts on your calipers. Pull those loose, slip your calipers off both sides, pull your pinch bolt out here that holds your axle in place, and then this axle unscrews. So you put your wrench in there, unscrew the axle, pull the axle out, and the wheel drops out. And you've got 2 spacers. You've got a little bitty spacer that fits in your seal here, and a small one there, and they look identical to me, and I'm sure they are. And that's it. So you get it up here on a stand. I got some cheapy ones, but they seem to work good. Pull that axle out, drop your wheel out, and go get you another tire. So that's a no-brainer. Here's what the back looks like with the wheel out, which I don't think I showed before, but that's what it looks like when you get it apart. There's what your ending, if you ever wonder what your muffler looked like on the inside, that's what it looks like. So kind of, swing arm's kind of an unusual looking arrangement here. It looks like they cut something else up and kind of spliced it together. When you look at it, it's got those weird bumps on it there, like they made it out of something else, and I suppose they did. Any rate, very easy to get in the back wheel on. Here again, you've got 2 spacers. These look slightly different. Well, at least, yeah, they're slightly different in size between the right and the left spacer there. But basically, simple. You just slip the spacers in. There's your bearing in there. Just slip your spacer in both sides, and put your wheel up there. Make sure you get your brake piece in place, which just has a little tab in there. It just slides up there like that. Real easy. Get your spacers in, slide your wheel up, slide your axle through, and you got 2 bolts, hold your brake on after the fact. And then you just gotta slip your chain up over the sprocket there. Slip it up in there, adjust your nuts, and you've got little marks here that line up with marks on your guides down there. And set your tension, and you're done. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Alright.